Hello, I'm Richard from First Mats, and this is a closer look at our EntryBrush doormats. Seen here in the grey and the brown colours, you probably noticed straight away this pattern of channels across the surface. Now, these are here for a very good reason. They're actually there to scrape dirt and stones off your shoes. So we always say if you're going to use one of these mats, you should position it so as you go through the door, the channels go in the opposite direction. So as you're wiping your feet across its surface, those channels are going to work really well to scrape lots of dirt off your shoes. It's also a nice absorbent material, so it's going to pick up loads of water as people come in through the entrance. And you've also got this rubber backing here, so it's a beveled or tapered edge, which helps with the overall strength of the mat. It helps to reduce trip accidents, so it's really good in commercial environments, this one as well. And also, it's really good at gripping to the floor because it's a natural rubber, not a vinyl. It's just naturally much better gripping onto the floor. So there you go. That's the EntryBrush rib door mat. Close look.